Hey guys, this is the Onboard PRO from Clearsource, and if you see any leaves on it, we're outdoors here and lots of stuff blowing around, but this is the RV version that you mount permanently in your coach to the wall or something. It's got PEX fittings, so once you mount it in there, you want to leave it in there, and it's got 6 big holes in the base here where you can screw it onto the wall. There's another version where you have a water tap fitting on each end, basically the same thing, but I believe it's blue and black, and it can sit on the ground level, and it has hose connections on each end. So whether you're going to be lugging it in and out a lot or whether you want to mount it permanently, I guess that's how you choose. So Clearsource sent this one out for us to test out, and we're going to do that. Now, normally the water goes in the left side and comes out the right, and you can read that in the instructions somewhere. In our case, we want the water to come in the right side and go out the left. So I contacted Clearsource, sent them an email, I don't know, within an hour. It was quite quick. I know an hour later I checked my mail and they had the answer. And they said what you have to do is, instead of just reversing the filters, you have to reverse the whole thing. You have to take the black part off the steel, turn it around. So let's get that done. And I gotta say, the build quality on this is crazy. Like, this is a nice piece of work. The only thing not great, and I've seen another reviewer say that, is that the sticker that sticks on here will peel off, and this is what it says it is here, and it's gonna peel off and get ruined. I have my own laminator. I might make another one because I like it saying that. You can definitely make that a little better, but everything else, the build quality is crazy. So here we go. I'll probably speed this up. And there we go. It's nice to do this on a surface where you don't lose any of your screws. So that's it. So to reverse the flow, we just turn it this way. So now it's just a matter of attaching it to this side, which should be pretty simple.